Happy 18th birthday, EJ!
We hope this day is filled with lots of happiness and you enjoy every step you take.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye!
Hello, EJ. I'm Grandma Mercy. I'm very surprised for invitation. 18 years old ka na. Ang dalaga mo na ngayon, no? So, anyway, happy birthday. I wish you have a wonderful night. And then, I wish you very smart for in the school. And do you know, EJ, yung binigay ng daddy at mami mo sa'yo ngayong gabi, bihira lang yung mga parents. 1,000 parents, isa lang nagbibigay ng ganyan na birthday celebrant, big celebrant, right? So, yung nakita mo sa mama, daddy mo, pag love ka nila. And then, ikaw rin sana, mahalin mo yung mga parents mo at ang brother mo. And then, you're both grandma and grandpa love also, okay? Especially to Grandma Mercy. You love Grandma Mercy, okay? So, anyway, CJ, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging mabuti kang bata, marunong sa pag-aaral, at saka palagi mong sinusundan ang sinasabi ng mama mo at daddy mo. Daddy and mommy love you so much. And everybody, I love you also. And then, sana i-focus mo yung pag-aaral mo. Pagbutihan mo talaga hanggang matapos ka. So, God bless you, EJ. Pinadadasal ko rin sa iyo ang pag-aaral mo na maging best ka sa pag-aaral at saka darating na araw na pagtatrabaho mo. So anyway, thank you. Wala na akong masabi. God bless you everyone. And then Merry Christmas. Happy New Year everybody. Thank you. Love you, everybody.
Hi, EJ. Happy 18th birthday. May you be blessed with happiness on your special day. May your life be filled with wonder, joy, love, and most importantly, may you always know that you are loved and cherished by the people who are most dear to you. And I hope you enjoy your special day. I know that that your mom and dad are always proud of you, and good luck on the next chapter of your life. Happy birthday again. We love you. God bless.
Hi Amira, it's me, your Ninang Mildred, and I'm just dropping by to greet you a happy 18th birthday. And I just want you to know that I am one of those who are very proud of you because you have grown up so pretty, so talented, and so kind not only to your parents but to everybody. Welcome to the adulthood, and just keep on dreaming, keep soaring high until all your dreams come true. And also, I want to take this opportunity to salute your proud parents, Jack and Joyce. I'm so proud of you for raising them so very good. Just take care, and I miss you guys. God bless.
Hi Emira, it's me Ninang Grace. Happy 18th birthday, wishing you a year ahead filled with laughter, love, and fulfillment of your dreams. Stay what you are and be humble always. I love you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Jay. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko na sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Proud na proud kami sa iyo. Love you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye. Enjoy. God bless.
Hi Nanak, happy 18th birthday. Sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you and to see how beautiful you are. But I know for sure that you've been guided well because you have a good friends that's always there for you. As you turn 18 today, may all your wish and dreams come true and always find a way to pursue them. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, 18, Amira.
Happy 18th birthday, Amira.
Hi EJ! Happy 18th birthday! Enjoy your special day. I wish you nothing but happiness and love always. Study first. Wala mo ng boyfriend. We love you. God bless.
Happiest 18th birthday, EJ. Welcome to adulthood, and sa bagong chapter ng life mo, be wiser, be smarter, and most importantly, be you, because you are beautiful just the way you are. And proud na proud kami sa lahat ng achievements mo, and pagbutihan mo lalo yung pag-aaral mo. Palagi mong papakinggan si Ninong Bodge and Mama Len kasi alam nila yung best for you. And sa reality ng life kasi hindi palaging masaya, minsan malungkot, pero promise hindi ka nag-iisa kasi nandito kami. Palagi lang kaming nakasuporta sa mga gusto mong gawin, and yun, love na love ka ni ate, and I can't wait na makasama ko kayo ulit dyan. Have the best day ever, have the best year ever. I love you, bye-bye.
Hello po. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi. Anumang oras nyo napapanood tong video ito. And mga aunties, mga uncles, mano po. Sa lahat ng mga pinsan ko dyan, hi, kamusta kayong lahat? And to Emira Geraldine, nagulat talaga ako when your mom asked me to create this video greeting kasi I was not expecting na 18 years old ka na pala. The last time I saw you, kala ko 15 ka lang. You look so young and you look so pretty, and I know that you're excelling well sa yung studies too. Kaya anyway, before I give you my greetings, I want to congratulate you because today is your official day to adulthood. So starting from today, every decision you make is on your own. Kaya think 10,000 times before you do something, okay? But never be afraid of failure. It is how you eventually succeed. Kaya pag sinabi ng mami mo na, nak, dapat 100 lang palagi kang maniniwala doon. Sometimes, failure makes you more stronger and it feels challenging because you're looking for that success. Kaya pagka parating pasado, parang chill-chill lang kasi feeling mo easy-easy lang. Pero pagka may failure, you're always wanting to seek for more. You know, more challenging, and you're looking for that success. So, okay lang ang failure paminsan-minsan. So, EJ, I want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. So, wait lang. Meron ba kayong mga wine glass dyan? So, may mga wine glass dyan, please raise it up. Let's cheers! Yan. Sip tayo. Yan. Pagka daw nag-raise ng glass, cheers, dapat sip. Kasi good luck yan. Hindi yung cheers, tapos baba. Okay. So, to EJ, I pray for you to get everything your heart's desire. And I am so honored to be part of this story. May your 18th year be a symphony of laughter, growth, and unforgettable memories. It is the start of so many exciting adventures. So enjoy it while it lasts. Okay? And above all, and most important, always pray and seek guidance to our Almighty God. Ask God to give you more wisdom and knowledge and ask Him to guide your footsteps and every decision in life. Pray first, ask Him to guide you, and you will never get wrong. Love life? Pwede mo rin pag-pray yan. The Lord will give you the right and perfect guy na magmamahal sa'yo unconditionally. Pero next time na yan, wag mo na ngayon. Okay? But you can pray for it para God will give you the right guy. Pero now, kailangan focus ka muna sa studies mo kasi ayan o, malapit ka na, konti na lang, kaya achieve your dreams. Dream big, aim high. Kaya yan. Kasi pag nag-love life ka ngayon, naku, sakit sa ulo, 'di ba? Pag in love ka, hindi ka makatulog, masakit ang ulo mo. Minsan naman pag in love ka, hindi ka makakain, pero makakatipid ka. Di ba? Kaya, chill lang muna. Enjoy your 18. 18 is the happiest teenage life. So, kaya, tingnan mo yung parents mo. Tingnan mo yung parents mo. Diba? Silang dalawa. Kaya sweet ang tawagan nila sa isa't isa. Sweet. Kasi sweet yan. All day, all night. Diba? Parang galing-galing. Diba? So, pag maghanap ka, dapat gaya sa papa mo. Diba? Sweet. Diba? Laging inaalagaan si mami. Inaalagaan kayong lahat. Kaya dapat ganyan. So, again, happy 18th birthday. I love you very much. And I'm always here for you. I'm just one text away. Okay? You can call me, you can text me anytime. God bless you. I love you so much. And goodbye to all for now.